if you are interested in training AI and also getting paid, this is for you. So regardless of where you're watching this video from, you can simply get access to this platform and get started today. So if you're watching from Ghana, India, Nigeria, Bangladesh, or whatever, you can simply make use of this platform. And of course, guys, you can do this on your mobile phone. Now we are going to review this platform called AfterQuery. As you can see right here, get paid to train AI on your own schedule. Now if you want to share your expertise to push the capabilities of AI and earn competitive pay on your own schedule. So guys, now to actually get started, we are simply going to click on this get started right here. You simply need to actually create an account by using your Google account, all right, by using your Gmail. So now as you can see, I'll simply come to where we say sign in right here. So now the next thing, I'll simply continue with by Google right here. Continue with Google. Click on the sign in with your Google. All right. So now as you can see, my account has been created. All right. So this is a brand new account. Now, guys, as you can see, we have a whole lot of opportunities. We have the 3D designer, Blender expert, and we have the arcade slash gaming expert, and this is paying $10 to $30 per hour. Now we have the atmospheric modeling machine learning expert, and this paying $150 to $200 per hour. So we have the audio recording contributor, Australian English accent. So audio recording contributor, French English accent. So we have audio and video technician expert. This is paying $35 to $75 per hour. Now we have a whole lot of them right here. So guys, you simply want to jump on any one of your choice as long as you have the requirement. Now let me go to the second page right here and check what we have right there. So you can see we have a whole lot of them. So now we have up to 10 pages right here. So now let's go to the third one. So we have customer service representative expert. So if you are interested in this customer service representative expert, you can simply jump on this. All right. So we have content writer and evaluator. So guys, this is global. All right. So this is global. This is for everyone. So now, regardless of where you are watching this video from, you can simply get access to this one right here, content writer and evaluator. All right. So maybe we're going to share this one and another one. This is on page 3, and now we have the next one right here. We have general after query expert data annotator, and this is paying $25 to $60 per hour. Another thing to take note of before you apply is this onboarding. All right, you need to sign. Now you want to click on onboarding right here. So you just want to come here. So if you want to come here and sign this legal documents right here. Now you want to complete the required documents below to continue the non-disclosure agreement and the data submission form. All right. So you need to sign this before you continue. You want to click on sign, and also this you need to click on sign. And the next one is verify your identity. When you're done with verifying your identity, you need to click on set up payment method in order to actually withdraw. And after that, guys, you should want to come to this document to actually check if the document been signed successfully. All right, so you want to come to this again and check it right here, non-disclosure agreement, and this right here. So you need to come here and check. Now another thing right here is the referrals. You can simply earn by sharing your referral link with others. So you can share your referral link on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and so on. So if you want to make use of my referral link, I'm leaving it in the description of this video. So to apply, you still want to come to apply now, apply right here. So where we have the available opportunities just for you. So you can actually filter by the newest, by the pay, all right, by pay, by location, all right. So if you want something remote, you can come here and filter by that. All right, so you can come to where you see domain right here and search for anyone you are interested in. So, and also the type. All right. So if you want commitment, contract, full time, you can simply do that right there. So you can check this out. The assessment, all right, the one that actually require assessment right there. So we have the general after query expert, advanced coding expert, bilingual Chinese uh, expert, general finance expert, and you have legal experts right there. So you need to take an assessment before you actually get accepted right there. All right. So now let me click on this and check what it is all uh, about. So guys, as you can see, this is paying 25 to $60 per hour. So right here we have the job description. This is a remote project-based role for experienced practitioners across any professional domain who can apply their real-world expertise to data annotation tasks. Now you will review, label, and evaluate data samples, including text documents, model outputs, and domain-specific content. Now, providing expert judgment, structured annotations, and recent assessment that require genuine hands-on professional experience. This position offers exceptional pay, exposure to cutting-edge AI development workflows, and a strong addition to your professional portfolio. So you have to take note of that, and this is why I apply. Now, guys, before I actually go on with this, I want you to take note of something. You need your resume. All right. So now I made a video on how you can simply create an AI optimized resume using just your smartphone. So you can simply go to the description of this video when you're done watching this and learn how you can do this using just your smartphone. This is really going to be helpful. All right. So now, why apply? Flexible time commitment, work on your own schedule while contributing meaningful domain expertise, portfolio building, gain experience contributing expert knowledge to reward AI and data project, professional growth. So you want to apply your domain expertise in a novel high impact context at the frontier of AI development. And now these are the responsibilities right here. And this is about AfterQuery. AfterQuery is a research lab investigating the boundaries of artificial intelligence through novel data sets and experimentation. Now, we believe great AI comes from exceptional human-generated data. Now, we are backed by top investors, including Y Combinator and BoxGroup, and support all leading AI labs. So you still want to apply today to contributing to pushing the frontier of AI. So you still want to come here and click on take the assessment. So you want to take note of this, guys. This is industry right here, miscellaneous. This is remote, and you need the time commitment of 5 hours per week, and start dates as soon as possible. So you want to take note of this, and the end date ongoing. So this is something you want to jump on right now as soon as possible, and you want to click on take the assessment. So but make sure you are fully ready. Make sure you prepare your CV. Make sure you complete the onboarding. Make sure you sign the non-disclosure agreement, the data submission form, and also now let me show you another thing. You want to go to the apply right here. So now let's go to the page 3. Page 3. Let's go to page 3. All right, just in case you do not qualify for that particular opportunity, you want to look for another one right here, content writer and evaluator, which is global. So as you can see right here, and you are simply getting paid this amount right here, $15, and you need your resume. All right, so like I said, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video. So you want to go through the job description right here, and this role they are looking for, we are seeking candidates to develop evaluation scenarios that test cutting-edge autonomous AI systems across multiple domains. And you create complex research tasks that challenge AI capabilities in sport analysis, financial analysis, patent research, academic planning, and business intelligence while ensuring accuracy and reward relevance. So this is an independent contractor position with flexible hours, 10 to 20 hours per week recommended. Now you still want to go through all these, and after that, guys, you still want to come here and click on start application. So as long as you have all the requirements, or you met all the requirements, you can simply start the application. All right. So now take note of this. You still want to click on start application, and you are good to go. So guys, this is what I have for you in this video. So if you actually got value, please, I want you to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. All right, it's very important. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.